Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Sheila Constantine is a physician working on Guam, but is also a wife and mother to 3 boys. She shares that her family was brought to Guam to get immunized against the coronavirus.
My family live in Japan. They are all Americans. I got vaccinated earlier on. So because the rollout in Japan is being so slow, I brought them here to get vaccinated. So my husband and my 13-year-old just got the vaccine thanks to Guam. Thank you.
Her son, Roman Constantine, received the first dose of the Pfizer vaccine. He shared what made him roll up his sleeve.
Because I'm 13 and I want to be cured of the coronavirus. I don't see why you need to be scared. I mean, like, the vaccine is good.
Shadia's husband, 40-year-old Jonathan Constantine, and 70-year-old Daisy Makawalang of Manilao shared why they got vaccinated against COVID-19.
I want to contribute to getting rid of this pandemic. I want to be one of the people getting it cleared and hopefully telling more people about it so that everybody gets it.
Because we're planning to go to mainland for family reunion. So I want to make sure that we got everything before we leave.
Despite the rainy weather earlier in the week, the COVID-19 combination clinic spearheaded by the Department of Public Health and Social Services and the Guam National Guard went well. Medical Task Force Acting Commander Major Roseanne Aparon said after an hour of operations, about 70 doses of the COVID vaccines were administered. She says those who showed up to get vaccinated share that they are looking forward to winning something from the Vax to Win incentive program.
Mostly for their health and their safety, for that of themselves and their family members. They also come through, some of them have heard of the Vax and the raffle drawing that we have going on in the government as a good incentive.
By the end of the day, 100 doses of the COVID vaccine were administered. As far as COVID testing, DPHSS Nursing Resource Command Margarita Bautista-Gay said testing was slow Wednesday morning compared to last week where 100 samples were tested.
So we just had one with loss of taste and smell, coughing, slight fever, sore throat, runny nose. Those are common symptoms for flu, but because of COVID, they're scared that it might be COVID. So they're just making sure that they're safe.
She also shared that 60 people were tested with 90 specimens collected today at the clinic. Reporting for Guam's News Network, Guahu Isaiah Uggan.